Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Slack API account accounts error. This error usually means the Slack user or bot account you are using has been deactivated, removed, or is no longer active in the workspace. First, check if the account is active. Open Slack and confirm that the bot or user you are using still exists in the workspace. Also, make sure it has not been deactivated by the admin. Next, verify workspace access. Make sure the bot is still part of the workspace and has not been removed from the channel you are testing. After that, check your token. Make sure you are using the correct bot user OAuth token that starts with xoxb. If the token belongs to an inactive or removed account, the request will fail. Now go to your Slack app settings, open api.slack.com, select your app, then go to OAuth and permissions. Scroll down until you find Reinstall to Workspace. Click Reinstall, then click Allow. This refreshes the token and reconnects your app properly. If the account was disabled, you will need a Workspace admin to reactivate it. Without reactivation, no API requests will work. Finally, try your request again after confirming everything is active. In most cases, the error is fixed once the account is active, the correct token is used, and the app is reinstalled. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.